Plant protein is healthiest when it's from unprocessed foods like dry beans, split peas, and lentils. Processed foods like veggie burgers and nuggets may be high in salt and other preservatives. Dry beans need to be soaked before they're cooked. Lentils don't need soaking. Here's how to soak and cook your beans. Start by washing the beans. While you rinse the beans with cold water, watch for and remove anything that isn't a bean, like small stones or pebbles. Rinse until the water runs clear. Then soak the beans. This can help reduce gas for some people. There are 2 ways to soak the beans. The traditional soak method, which is to cover the beans with water, soak them for 8 hours or overnight, then drain and rinse. If you're short on time, try the quick soak. Put 1 cup of beans for 3 cups of water in a pot. Boil for 3 minutes, then turn off the heat. Let the beans sit for 1 hour, then drain and rinse. And finally, cook the beans. Add 1 cup of beans and 2 cups of water to a pot. Bring to a boil, then lower the heat and simmer for 45 minutes to 2 hours. If you don't have time to cook beans and lentils from dried, you can use canned ones. Try to choose low salt or no salt added beans. Be sure to drain and rinse canned beans before using them.